Steve here, Shen RC, and today I got the Haiboxing HAILSTORM in. This is the 1/18 scale 4x4 truck. This is model number 18858. Let's take a look at the box really quick. It's a ready to run 4-wheel drive 2.4. It has adjustable shocks, full ball bearings. I believe it's a 380 size motor, gear diffs, and splash waterproof resistant electronics. There's the 3 different colors you could get. And here's some highlights. 4-wheel center shaft drive, gear diff, 2.4 full function proportional radio system, splash waterproof electronics, authentic independent suspension, shocks with threaded rings, anti-skid high grip tires, metal drive shafts, ball bearings throughout, soft pack LiPo battery power, headlight LEDs. There's the adjustable shocks. Let's open it up and take a look at it. Here's how it comes when you pull it out of the box. You got sticker sheet, that's cool, and they're pre-cut, so that's awesome. Here's the manual. Read this, make sure you look at everything. Tells you how to run it, adjustments, all that good stuff. Also shows all the parts in here, which is nice. So if you have to order anything. Alright, enough of this. Good manual, make sure you read it. Here's how it comes in the box. Lift them off. The radio's in here. Box looks really nice looking. Then you get your battery packs and charger. You got your rear wing with the screwdriver. You got your LiPo pack. This is a 7.4 850 milliamp hour. They say you get 20-minute run time with this, and there's 2 of them. There's one also in the car. Body clips. The USB charger here. They actually give you an extra set of body clips because there's some on the truck. They're nice ones with the pull tabs. Here's the body. It's got the protective plastic on it. You gotta peel it off. It'll look much nicer. Let's take a look at this car. Warning. Take that right off. There's the motor. It's like a 370, 380 size motor. It has a heat sink. There's the all-in-one ESC receiver unit. It's splash proof, waterproof. Simple power button on and off. You press that in. I had a Haiboxing truck before. It was a 1/16 scale, I believe, and I beat on it like crazy. It was a nice truck. It was really strong. Anyhow, let's get back to this one. It's got the LED lights in the front. It's got a Dean's plug also, which is nice. There's the extra LiPo I was talking about. Goes right in there with the strap. This is a new updated version. The chassis is supposed to be better and everything about it. Let's give it the twist test. That's pretty stiff for a small chassis. That's strong. It's got metal drives. That's what they state on the box. You can see it's got the CVD drives right there, metal out drives. And then in the back it has the dog bone style, but they're still metal. Friction shocks. You may be able to put some thick grease in there to slow that down to make them work better. Let's check the tires. Tires feel pretty good. No foams in them. Let's check the diff action. Feels pretty smooth. Well, that's the truck. Let's look at the radio here. On and off. It's got the steering trim. Plastic wheel. Feels kind of not as good as the other one I had. This one feels kind of hollow feeling. But it'll get the job done. It's a normal radio. It got the slow mode and normal mode. So if you have a kid, you could put it on slow. And when you want to rip it, just put it on normal and go fast. Steering reverse. See how many batteries are in it. Looks like it uses 2 AA batteries. Yeah, this ain't fully charged. It's really slow, but that'll show you how smooth it is. Alright, I'm going to put the spoiler on real quick with the screws. And they give you a screwdriver also. This goes on the back here just like this. And then you screw it on. So I'm going to do that really quick. Let's get it started. You just put it on just like that. I'm lucky to give you a nice screwdriver in the kit. And there she is. Here it is with the body on. Looks pretty neat looking. Just a tip for you guys to get this body on. You have to tilt it back into the shocks under the spoiler. And then go like that and it'll go on. You can't just put it on straight. You have to actually tilt the body under the rear wing.